So like I said, I like to make these short little videos thanking people who've really made a difference in my life. So, there's this very sweet young lady. Her name is Anjum Fatima, and she's part of she's like she's the faculty of the school called New York Academy. Yeah, I know, I'm in love with the school. I mean, no, because basically I like to, each time I see something nice, I feel it's important to stop and kind of acknowledge it. So, Miss Anjum, like for me, uh, I've just met her a few times, but it feels like, I know her for a long time, and that I think that is such a special feeling, when someone kind of goes out of the way to make you feel comfortable and all. So really, Miss Anjum Fatima, ma'am, I think I was plain lucky to have, interacted with her, and she's one of the people you would meet in case you are enrolling your child in the school, the New York Academy. So it's that's what certain things, like warmth, it's either in you or it's not. So in her, like with Miss Anjum, I've seen that she really makes sure she's there for you when you need her. So I think that's such a beautiful quality, truly. So thank you, Miss Anjum. Thank you, Anjum ma'am, because it's this is what makes a school so special, when the faculty is so amazing. So really, people, so on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.